coffee with you. It's great. Everybody believes that negotiating your commission down as a seller is the be-all and end-all of everything in choosing your agent. What people don't know is how much money this can ultimately cost them. And I mean a lot of money. Choosing the wrong agent just because you can get a lower commission can ultimately cost you hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of thousands. So be sure to choose the right agent for yourself and your property. Number one, can that agent sell your property? What are the chances? How do you go about choosing this agent? Well, I have a couple of questions for you. My top 5 questions to ask your agent. Interview your agent. She's interviewing for a position, for a job. This is basically what it's about. And the top 5 questions I have is ask your agent, how many properties have they sold in the last 3 or 6 months or year? Ask what is their average sales price? What is the price difference between asking price and their ultimate selling price? And what top 3 marketing methods will this agent use and employ for your property? And lastly, I would ask, what is your budget you will place for my property? And every property needs to have a marketing plan with a budget, with the right agent who honestly believes she can sell your property or he can sell your property, and for the property that they are planning to put it in the market at. So consider interviewing your agent with a difference. You need the right person to get the job done, you need the right person to present and promote your property, and you need the right person who can get you the right price for your property. Happy selling.